Hey everyone, and thanks for getting locked in with your girl Key. On this channel, Teach, Pray, Slay, we're all about teaching, praying, and slaying our lifestyle, beauty, and goals together. So, on today's video, I am going to do my fall decor and scents haul. If you have watched the previous video, you can see me actually going out and getting all this stuff, and now I'm going to show you everything I got. So if you would like to see it, go ahead and stay tuned. Let's go ahead and jump into this video. Let's go. In today's video, I am going to show you everything I got on my vlogging video when I was going to shop for my fall decor and my fall scents. So I went to At Home, I went to Bath and Body Works, and I went to Hobby Lobby because y'all, At Home was just so expensive, so expensive. So before I get into what I've got, what I got today, go ahead and if you have not already, subscribe down below. If you're already a subscriber, thank you so much for the support. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and also click that notification bell for more content like this and content on teaching and praying and slaying beauty and goals as well. So today we're going to be slaying our lifestyle. Alright, so let's jump into this video. I am going to start off with my Hobby Lobby, the things I got from Hobby Lobby. I think everything is in this one bag. So I got this tin can from Hobby Lobby, and it was 40% off, so I paid like $10 or $11 for it. So I like it because it's going to be able to sit on my dining room table, and then I'm going to put a bunch of flowers in it. It's going to be really cute. So excited about that. So then I got a bundle of fall flowers. Now this was, y'all, this was a little bit expensive, but I really like it. It was $24.99, but 40% off, and I got it because it's going to sit inside of my centerpiece on my dining room table. So I just thought that was cute. Oh, and my theme is still gray and white for fall. It's still gonna be gray, tints of silver, and a lot of tin. You'll see a lot of tin. Alrighty. I got another bundle of the fall flowers, the floral arrangement, and it's the same exact one, but I have another tin that I'm going to put this in, and it's so cute. But you'll see that in my next video, which is going to be all about me decluttering and decorating for the fall. Now this, I thought this little pumpkin was so cute. So if you're going to tune into my next video, you'll see a lot of pumpkins. Fall for me is all about harvesting, and what a better way to bring in the harvest feeling by putting a lot of pumpkins around your house. I don't know. I just like the scent of pumpkin. I just like the look, and I love that it goes with my silver theme. This was $13.99, but of course it was 40% off. That's why you have to go to Hobby Lobby, because everything is 40% off. Like, why not? Everything is either 40% off or 50% off. I got this little sign. It says bless on it. It was $8.99, and of course it was 40% off. I don't know if you can see that. It's not gonna get clear, but it says bless on it, and I love it. It's really, really cute. And why not get another gray and white pumpkin? And I don't know where I'm gonna put this one yet. I might put it in my kitchen, but it was $15.99, and of course, no, this was actually 50% off. The little balls are sticking from the floral arrangement. But yeah, so this was like 50% off. So head to Hobby Lobby, and once you get to the register, make sure to pull up the 40% off coupon if you find something that is regularly priced. So if you find something that's at regular price, go ahead, pull that up. All right, so I am going to continue with my Bath and Body Works. Yeah, I'll do Bath and Body Works next. So I got 2 new candles, and this candle is the cinnamon spice vanilla candle. It smells so good. I don't know, in fall I just like my house to smell spicy. I don't know why. It's just weird, but I don't know. I got 2 of those, and the 3-wick candles at Bath and Body Works are $15 a piece right now, so go grab those. Then I grabbed 1 soap because I have so much soap from Bath and Body Works, and I was like, okay, I could do the 6 for $26, but y'all, once we got into this pandemic, I was like, let me go get some soap. So I already have soap, but I only had like 3 fall scents, so I decided to get this pumpkin cupcake scent. It smells so good, y'all. I love it. I really I love the smell of this. Like, it smells so good. I can't wait to wash my hands with it. Yeah, that's sad, but I can't wait. All right, so I had to get the pumpkin cupcake room spray. So I got the pumpkin cupcake, and of course the scent of the season for Bath and Body Works is leaves. I already have 2 candles that I bought from them, 2 leaves candle. Y'all, this smells so good. If you want your house to smell like fall and nice and spicy and smell like outdoors, get y'all some leaves. I'm trying to tell you, you just get you some leaves. All right, last but not least, I got some wallflowers, and I got 3 caramel pumpkin swirl, because last week when I went and got these, they didn't have a lot, so I only was able to get like 2, and then I got mahogany teak wood. So I ended up getting some more caramel pumpkin swirl. They smell really good. It really gives your home that pumpkin smell, if that makes sense. And I also got some warm vanilla, because why not? All right, so that was that for Bath and Body Works. Now, what did I get from at home? So I got this can, this tin can. Like I told you all, I'm going for like a tin can look in my, around my whole home. I guess you could say my kitchen, my living room. Just everything is gray, white, tints of brown and black, but majority of gray and white. So I thought this was really cute. It says country living, farmhouse, home sweet home, and I really like it. It's really cute. This was only 10 bucks, but at home doesn't have a lot of coupons, so that's why I don't know. I like at home, but yeah. All right, and then I got a sign. All right, so the sign says we gather together, and this was only $7. I was like, I have to get this. Just thought it was cute. I also got a little serving board, and it says Simply Blessed. This was $7 also. I really like this. I thought it was really cute. So gonna put that in the kitchen. I got a I don't even know what to call this, but a little accent that says faith, and I'm going to put this in my living room. I don't even remember what this could even be. Oh, my pumpkin. So I found this pumpkin because, well, I found this pumpkin. It's silver and then it has metallic colors in it. So I had to get this. The reason why I got this is because I wanted to bring some color into my living room. I still gotta get a blanket, y'all. I gotta get a blanket, a throw blanket, but I mean, it is what it is. But yeah, I really love this. I really, really love this. This is so pretty. It's gonna bring so much color. Well, not a lot of color, but it's gonna bring more color into my living room. And this was $12.99. Oh, and it's glass. And I bought a pillow, and on the pillow it says blessed. So this will freshen up my bed. And I finally bought a mug holder. Like, all my friends that knows me, or anyone that knows me, knows I have a lot of mugs. So I bought a mug holder so I won't have to keep putting them in my cupboard. I drink tea every single day. I don't drink coffee, I drink tea. So I just want to put all my cute mugs and hang those up. And of course, I got some hand sanitizer. I think I just threw this in here from my car. All right, so that is all. That is all I got from at home home goods. Well, not home goods, at home, Hobby Lobby, and Bath and Body Works. If you enjoyed this haul, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and be on the lookout for the next video. It should pop up here. And in that video, I actually declutter, clean, and I also put all these things up. So if you want to see how I decorated my home for fall, stay tuned, or you can click the video up top. And again, with all you do, make sure you're teaching, praying, and slaying. All my videos are done with love. See you later. Bye.